Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. So, today we're going to be creating a spread in my wellness planner, which is exotic borders, and it is a classic size happy planner. So, here we go. We're going to make it as fun as possible because why not? And yeah, let's get going. So, here we go. I am going to be using the fruit and a floral sticker book from Live Love Posh. I think that using fun sticker books, especially in like the boring planners where I know what's going to happen, is the best. When I do my spreads with stickers that are kind of also boring, I'm less likely to use that spread, period. So I'm keeping myself entertained by doing kind of unexpected things. Anyway, if this is your first time joining, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you have been here before, welcome back. I'm so happy you are here again to spend time with me. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and make dots. I'm going to go for the pink. So yeah, let's do it and go from there. Okay. Okay, so we're doing that. And as I'm doing that, just drawing dots. So it's breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. And I've been adding room for coffee because I've been doing coffee with like milk and stuff, which adds calories. So I keep kind of track of that. So yeah, that's why. There's 5, and then we're gonna go ahead and do 5 on the bottom as well. I'm sorry, but my ring needs to be resized, so it keeps like sliding and moving, and it bugs me because I'm still not used to it. So it is gorgeous, but it kind of needs to be resized by a lot. Like it's almost a size and a quarter. So you guys can imagine. I've been wearing it kind of on my middle finger here and there to make sure that it's more secure. Okay, so here we go. Dots are done. Now it's the fun part. So let's go ahead and decorate. So I already picked these stickers in here. Something super bright and fun. So here we go. Just gonna go for it and start kind of peeling all of this off and putting in accordingly. Getting kind of close here and there because I want it right on the line. But yeah, so I'm just adding these. They're so fun. Like, look how pretty they are. Isn't that awesome? Okay, so these like half fruit are going in my sidebar because I almost never use my sidebar in this planner. I only use the boxes that I kind of pre-marked. So I know exactly how much space I need, and now I can just go ahead and crank out the deco, which makes me super happy, you guys. Okay, so here we go. How fun is this? So I'm gonna go ahead and add this and this and this, and look how awesome. Yeah, it makes me very happy. So we're gonna add another lemon up there and a pear because why not? Again, these fruits are so happy and fun. I could not help myself. So I don't know if this, oh, okay, I'll put it here and see how it goes, okay? Now I'll put this pineapple here and see how it goes. And we need to decorate the bottom too because, you know, it's not bright enough and there's too much empty space for a fun spread like this. Okay, so I'm gonna keep going. Pink right there. Okay, yeah, that works. And yes, I know it's not straight and it's not to the edge, but it's kind of meant to be fun and whimsical and different. So that's what I'm going for. we'll have pears and peaches and different things. And if they don't, like if they align, that's fine. I don't really mind too much. And I am making them like touch right at the edge sometimes. So yeah, it's a lot of fun to be able to do this. What if I made a crooked one like that? Yeah. Okay. Little thing. So peach. I need another peach. I think I need something big. Yeah, let's do that. Too close, but it's okay. Like, you know, a lot of times you will group your fruit when you're doing stuff. Okay. This doesn't look finished to me, but I think I'm gonna go grab some washi maybe. And then we can go ahead and add washi to the top. I'm not sure. Okay, so I got my washi and let's go ahead and do it. So I grabbed pink washi. I got one in like a very thick strip that is pink and yellow and it's almost like a sunsetty and it's gorgeous. And then the other one is like pink polka dots, so it reminds me of these strawberries here. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the tops off of these stickers that are sticking out. Mostly because when I place washi, I don't want anything under it, but also I think it's a cleaner look. So if you are going for a little bit of a cleaner look, especially like in the middle, when you cut these, they are going to look slightly like more well put together. When you look at my sidebar and you look how they're cut and they're sitting at the edges, that's a little bit more clean look, at least to me. It might not be to you, because everybody's perception is very different, but to me it looks a little cleaner. Okay, so I'm taking off the excess, and then I'm gonna go ahead. We still need to cut the pineapple, don't we? Yes. And then I can use this washi, but pineapple has to go. So this particular strip of washi is super old. It's like from the old Michael Recollection collection. Do you remember those? They're like planners and all that stuff. So what I'm gonna do is place this, but before I do, I think I'm gonna use the correction tape just slightly in here. And the white like backing is not on all of it. The only part that has this white backing is like the beginning, and I usually save it and like unroll a little and put it back on, so then it's easier to unroll this tape. Some tape, especially over time, they get a little fragile, like a little bit more crumbly, so I'm usually very careful. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this up, and then yep, and then we have one. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I just need to use the correction tape again to get a little bit of those lines off. If slightly like tiny bit is showing, that's fine, but I don't want like the whole thing showing and dividing my tape. So I'm gonna go ahead and put another strip down here. And yeah, I might have to cut it, you guys. I know, right? Okay. But I have a lot of this tape. Like I think I have more than one roll. So not worried at all here. I'm gonna cut it. And yes, I do have a washi cutter somewhere. But right now, my desk is a mess. I've been planning and I have so much stuff coming out for you guys. It's gonna be a little crazy. So if you are up for it, I am here and we're gonna rock and roll and have a lot of fun. So I have multiple things that are coming out. Oh my gosh, my hair is in a thing. I'm so sorry. Like my hair gets everywhere, even though like I will clip it, it somehow will escape me. Anyway, going back to the fun stuff. I have quite a few different products coming out from different companies that I will be able to share very, very soon. There's going to also be a like different type of spreads that I'm going to be doing. And of course, it's this time of year again where I get to do flip throughs of like all of my planners, so you get to see all of that. But yeah, that's what it is. I'm just gonna go ahead and stick another piece of this right on the top, like above the numbers. And it's going to bring a lot of color to the top, because as you can see, the rest of the page is pretty full and it has a lot of color, but the top above the numbers is very bland. So I'm just gonna use the ruler to make sure that it's like aligned, okay. And we're gonna do the other side, but yeah, so it's gonna look slightly more cohesive. So bear with me as I do this. One more, and then I think we're gonna be done. So let's put it in and see how it looks. Okay, yeah, I think I'm done after this. Let's just see. But I'm gonna pop it back in my planner, and I think it's gonna look good because I have a feeling and I can see it. So let's go ahead and put it back in, and I will see you guys soon for another plan with me. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching and having fun. Let me know how you like this spread. I know it's very different, very colorful. Not something that I do quite often, but very fun. And if you stuck around all the way to the end, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you. And I'll see you soon for another video. Bye!